The University of Strathclyde is a public research university located in Glasgow, Scotland. Founded in 1796 as the Andersonian Institute, it is Glasgow's second oldest university, having received its royal charter in 1964 as the first technological university in the United Kingdom, taking its name from the historic Kingdom of Strathclyde. It is Scotland's third largest university by number of students, with students and staff from over 100 countries. The institution was named University of the Year 2012 by Times Higher Education and again in 2019, becoming the first university to receive this award twice. The annual income of the institution for 2019-20 was £334.8 million, of which £81.2 million was from research grants and contracts, with an expenditure of £298.8 million. It is one of the 39 old universities in the UK comprising the distinctive second cluster of elite universities after Oxbridge. The university was founded in 1796 through the will of John Anderson, Professor of Natural Philosophy at the University of Glasgow, who left instructions in the majority of his estate to create a second university in Glasgow which would focus on useful learning, specializing in practical subjects, for the good of mankind, and the improvement of science, a place of useful learning. The university later named its city centre campus after him. In 1828, the institution was renamed Anderson's University, partially fulfilling Anderson's vision of two universities in the city of Glasgow. The name was changed in 1887, to reflect the fact that there was no legal authority for the use of the title of university. As a result, the Glasgow and West of Scotland Technical College was formed, becoming the Royal Technical College in 1912, and the Royal College of Science and Technology in 1956, concentrating on science and engineering, teaching and research. Undergraduate students could qualify for degrees of the University of Glasgow or the equivalent, Associate of the Royal College of Science and Technology. Under Principal Samuel Curran, internationally respected nuclear physicist, the Royal College gained university status, receiving its royal charter to become the University of Strathclyde in 1964, merging with the Scottish College of Commerce at the same time. Contrary to popular belief, the University of Strathclyde was not created as a result of the Robbins Report. The decision to grant the Royal College university status had been made earlier in the 1960s but delayed as a result of Robbins' report. The University of Strathclyde was the UK's first technological university, reflecting its history, teaching and research in technological education. In 1993, the university incorporated Jordanhill College of Education. The university has grown from approximately 4,000 full-time students in 1964 to over 20,000 students in 2003. When it celebrated the 100th anniversary of the laying of the foundation stone of the original Royal College building. In July 2015, Her Majesty the Queen opened the University of Strathclyde Technology and Innovation Centre. Since taking over the Jordanhill College in 1993, the university operated two campuses, the John Anderson campus and the Jordanhill campus, until 2012, when the Jordanhill campus was closed and everything was moved to the John Anderson campus. The centerpiece building has long been the massive Royal College building. Started in 1903 and completed in 1912. It was partially opened in 1910 and at the time was the largest educational building in Europe for technical education. Originally built as the Glasgow and West of Scotland Technical College building, it now houses bioscience, chemistry, and electronic and electrical engineering. The building is currently undergoing major internal renovation following the relocation of the pharmacology and bioscience departments to new accommodation in the John Arbuthnot building, and the installation of a new heating system. The Livingston Tower is a high-rise building completed in 1965. It is home to departments including Computer and Information Sciences and Mathematics and Statistics. Meanwhile, a new Biomedical Sciences building was opened in early 2010. It was designed by Shepard Robson, and aims to bring the multifaceted disciplines of the institute together under one roof. sited on Cathedral Street in Glasgow. The 8,000 square meters building is the gateway to the university campus and city centre from the motorway. The James Weir building has been reconstructed and reopened in 2014 after a serious fire resulted in many rooms being unusable. The architecture building, completed in 1967, was designed by Frank Fielden and Associates, Frank Fielden being the professor of architecture in the architecture school at the time. In 2012, Historic Scotland granted listed building status to it, along with the Wolfson building designed by Morris and Steedman Architects. 2012 also saw the 20th Century Society select the architecture building as their B.